thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wright County, southeastern Meeker County, northeastern McLeod County, northwestern Carver County until 10:30 p.m. At 9:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dassel, or 9 miles northeast of Hutchinson, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Tokado around 10:05 p.m. Winstead and Howard Lake around 10:15 p.m. Montrose around 10:25 p.m. Watertown around 10:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Waverly. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.